if you want to pass a data through the route or through the URL, then how you can implement in the Angular. So let's talk about these things in detail. So look at the app component.html. Here you can notice then that if you click the button, which is the click to navigate, if you click this button, on the click event, one method navigate will call. Okay, so basically on the navigate method, what is happen, what will be happen. So let's go to the app component.ts and look at this method. Here you can notice that here you are trying to navigate to the another route, which is the other. Okay, so other route will be here called. So during the calling, you are also passing some of the data, some of the state value. So here you have defined the state and passing, you can define anything, but in the second parameter you are passing some data. Okay, if you will navigate to the other or whatever route you want to navigate. Okay, so what data you are passing? So you are passing the state and the example data, video, WorldGyan, like that. Okay, you are passing. So now in this way you can pass the data through the route, but the question is that how you can collect the data. So if you will go to the app module.ts, then you can notice that if the other you will navigate, then other component will be called. So in the other component, that particular data will be it will go to the other component, but how you can collect that data in the other component. So let's discuss these things. So now I am going to the other component here. So this is the folder and the other component.ts. Okay, so this is a TS file. Now your job is to collect that past data, whatever you have passed. Okay, so you have collected in the variable name, and this name, okay, collected in the name, and in the other component.html you are showing these things in a UI. Now I am going to here in the constructor, in this method I am going to console it so that you can understand the better way. Console.log, and then here what I am going to do is to call this method. Now what is, first of all you need to understand what is the route. So here you can notice in the constructor you have initialized, you are injected the route. Okay, make sure to import the route and create the instances, and now through this instances I am calling the method get current navigation. Now I am going to save these things, and if I will click this click to navigate, then we will check that what will happen. Okay, so why it is coming? Because in the app.html code is written, accordingly this is happen. It is coming. Now if you click, then what should happen? So in place of the router outlet, that particular component, it means navigate method will call, and then navigate method you are passing some data and calling some other route, and on that behalf of that route, that particular component will be loaded here in place of these things. It means router outlet. Okay, so let's click here. You can notice that if I click, then others route is here come at the URL. Okay, because you are navigated. Now you pass the data or not. So how you will check? Here you can notice that data is also get passed, because here you can notice that other works. Why it is coming? Because if you go to the other.html, then other works, this data is coming. Not only that, name is name, it is what? Variable, and in this variable what is there? Whatever you have passed. So the example, whatever value passed in the example, that thing is here coming, and that thing is you are showing to the UI. Right now, apart from that, you have also console log that get current navigation, where most of the information is available through this route instances, and route you have imported. So if we expand a bit, you can notice that here you can notice that extras. Okay, if you click the extras, you can notice that state, and this is also an object. So here you can notice that data examples is coming and video WorldGyan is coming. So example data WorldGyan, video WorldGyan, it is coming. Why? Because you have passed and you you are able to collect it. Now if you want to collect the video, then also you can do very easily. It is very easy, right? So I hope that you are understanding these things very well. If you will face any problem, then please let us know.